Hello guys, how are you all? Hopefully you all are doing very well. Welcome back to my new video guys. So today's topic is how to fix your connection is not private. Google Chrome is okay, but many of you face the problem where your connection is not private is shown. This option appears even when you visit any website, your connection is not private. So today we will show you how to fix this problem. Let's quickly start our video. First of all, open your Google Chrome. After opening, look on the left, we will see an option with 3 dots. Click on it. After doing this, you need to go to history. Once there, click on history. Look, delete browsing data. Click on this. After clicking, see the time range, last, and we will set it to all time. After doing this, we will clear the data. Okay, our data is being cleared. Okay. So look, our data has been cleared. So the second step is to minimize this. Here, you have to go to your Windows and search for Control Panel. Okay. After coming here, open the Control Panel. After opening it, see I already have small icon standing here. It's in category view here. From here, you need to select small icons. Alright. After doing that, look here, you will find Network and Sharing Center. This is my Windows 11. For those who have Windows 11, you will have the same options as I do. So you have to come here. After hitting look below for change adapter settings, okay? You need to click on it. After doing this, go to the Wi-Fi you're connected to, right click on it. After right clicking, look below for properties and you will get the option, okay? You need to click on this. After clicking here, see the internet problem. It is IPv4. You have to turn it on. Okay, then click on property. After doing this, look here. Use the following DNS server address. Okay, you have to select this. After this, here all 4 digits. If you have to enter 4 8s, okay, 4 and 2 are not there. And here on the DNS server, enter 2 8s and 2 4s. After entering, click OK here. So that's how your server is now private. This solution can be done from here. Friends, if you are liking our video, please like, subscribe and share the channel. Bye for now. See you in the next video.